we have reached the point where the genome of every individual can be sequenced and could be modified. And this is where we stand today in 2022. And we have engineered new enzymes so that we can replace all the chemical step in organic solvent by enzymatic step in water. Clearly something that you can do in your own kitchen. The current protocol with traditional synthesis methodology take half to 1 month, and our current protocol allows to manufacture in 3 days full synthetic gene.
After 1.5, we really don't know what's going to happen, but each 0.1 degree makes a very big difference in the consequences. Now that we've said where we are, we also assess where we need to go. Where we need to go is the blue curve, and what you see is that there is a huge gap between the implemented policies, which are given in the red curve, and the pledges policies.